What's the markup on the Demon?
On the Wagoneer, you have $10,000 off.
What about the Hellcat, the purple one? That's still marked up? Still got the... All right, guys, so we back on the lot. We're gonna see if any of these prices have came down on these cars. Right here, we got some 300s in 2023, 46,000. But these look like they're all V6s. They got some Chargers right here. Let's see how much these Chargers are. Because I know a lot of people are starting to buy the RTs because they're the only ones that's actually affordable right now. But these look like they're all GTs. And the GTs are the ones that got the rebates. And as you can see, it looked like they got some more inventory, but everybody seemed to be getting in V6s lately. Here's a Daytona. This is probably an RT. Yep, this is an RT Daytona 5.7, 57. Damn! Oh my goodness. You got to be kidding me, bro. 57,000 for an RT? Yeah, these Dodge is tripping, man. Don't get me wrong, it's a nice car, but come on, bruh, 57. You got the roof wrapped. That is amazing that they still trying to charge that for these cars, man. Oh my goodness, and we ain't even made it to the inside. But as you can see, there's a whole bunch of cars out here. Guys who may be new to the channel, this is my 300C. I'm gonna walk around this real quick. Because I know some people be new to my channel, they don't even know what I'm driving. This is my car right here. Most of the Dodge dealerships got Hornets. Look at this. Whole row of them. Nobody's buying them. I've yet to see a Hornet on the road. What we got here, this looks like a Scat, 23 Scat. Look at this, 57. So you telling me the RT Daytona is the same car, it's the same price as a Scat?
God, please, no! No!
Come on, man. And it's open. Nice. 57,000 for this car that has cloth seats. That's crazy. Probably doesn't have, well, it does have adaptive cruise control. Yeah, forget the leather seats. If I was gonna pay that much, I'd just go ahead and get the Scat. But let's go on the inside. Demon, y'all. This stupid music, man. It's 23. Look at that. 131. It's crazy. It's nice. And this one does got the sunroof. The open, nope. The red seats. This thing, nice. Yep. I wonder what the markup is on this train. Yeah, that's nice. Another Scat. The red seats. This thing nice. That white with the red seats. Let's see. 65. This is nice right here. This is my favorite right here, the Super B. How you doing, man? Alright. Alright. Super B. This car been here for a minute. I wonder if they still charging a markup for this. Yup. And the ultimate purple cat.
What's going on? What you doing in here?
Oh, I'm trying to trade my SST in for the SRT Hellcat. Why that, right? Yeah.
You trying to trade your XXT in for this?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
What you think?
What I think?
Yeah.
What you getting done in your car? Oil change?
Yeah.
And you want to trade in for this?
Yeah. SST, ready.
So you just going to skip the GT, the RT, the Scatpack, and jump straight to the... God damn.
You damn right. I can't I do that?
Baby girl, let me tell you this.
Tell me. You go get the key, though.
No, I ain't going to get the keys. This ain't going to work.
Why?
Because you're going from a SXT straight to a Hellcat.
You damn right.
Oh, no, it's a hell no, baby. Oh, it's a hell no. It's a hell no. Yeah, it's going to be a Hellcat, hell no.
Now, y'all know this car had like a $25,000 markup on it. I don't see the markups on here anymore. See, they removed them off the window. This thing nasty. Nasty. Like this joint. Hey, my man. What's the markup on the Demon?
Huh?
What's the markup on that?
What I believe, I don't want to tell you anything that's not objectively true, but
Right.
I can find out for you.
Okay, all
Let
right.
me get right back.
All right, thanks. No, they got a markup on it. Y'all know it's a markup on it. Electric. This is nice. Jeep.
Because we're in the last stages of internal combustion engines, right?
Yeah.
So the market adjustment would be around like 100 grand.
Oh, 100.
on that.
That's
Which I
not
don't
bad.
think it's bad.
Considering the other dealers like 200.
200?
Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. Appreciate it.
No problem.
All right. Yep. So there you go. 100,000 markup on the Demon. Can't say I'm surprised. Ain't nothing changed. I like this Hellcat though. If I was to get a Hellcat, this would be the one I get. I like this color. What's the sticker on this? 92. Jailbreak wide body. Cat. This joint open. This thing crazy. Yeah, but this car been here for a minute, guys. It's been here for a minute. That's why they took probably the markup off. And this silver RT right here, this is nice. Yeah, this thing got the Alcantara seats. No, it's not fully loaded. It don't have the, I don't even know if the RTs come with the adaptive cruise control. That's a good question. But here you go, guys. They charging the same amount for RTs they charge for Scats. A lot of people that follow my channel don't just drive Chargers and Challengers. Some of y'all drive Ram trucks. Let's see how much these new trucks are. This thing crazy. That's not open. Ram. It's the big boy right here. Rampage. Yeah. None of these trucks got the prices on the stickers on the window. I guess they might be tired of us YouTubers exposing the dealerships. Yeah, these dealers rocking up on these V6s because that's all they can sell. This is another, I don't know if this is a Daytona. Yeah, it probably is. Yep, it's probably another 5.7 right here. So it's almost like you have to go use. Because I'm not paying $60,000 for an RT. That's crazy. Yep, so I'm going to be keeping my 300 for a long time. There she go. A black beast. And here's another 300 right here. This is a Torn 54. This is a 5.7 right here. Yep, it's a 5.7. See the difference? Grill. This good, got the adaptive cruise. There's another 5.7 right here. Yep, 5.7 300, 153. The stick on my car was 56. Yeah. What's going on? Seeing what y'all got out here.
Tell me, are you here for the buy one, get one half off?
Oh, that's how you doing it now? Oh man, so I can buy a cat and get a Demon half off? All right. What's going on?
Good,
I'm
man.
good.
This land better.
What kind of sales y'all got going on?
Now, on the Wagoneer, we have $10,000 off.
Okay.
2023 only.
Okay. What about the Hellcat, the purple one? That's still marked up? Still got the...
No. There's no more markup.
No more markup?
If you want to get it today, you can go home without any markup. Zero markup.
Zero markup? Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So what dealership is this again so they can know?
It's Dakar, Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler of New Carolina.
Okay. And I'll put your information at the bottom of the screen. See, there y'all go, man. Markups over. This is another V6. Markups are over. So y'all can get one of these cars, no markup, except for the Demon. So let's get in here and talk about it real quick. So there you have it, guys. No more markups. Y'all can come and get you a Hellcat. The only thing that's marked up still is the Demon, but at least they discounted it a little bit. At first, the Demon, all these other dealerships are still charging like 200 over for the Demon. This dealership right here say 100,000, which is still too much if you ask me. I'm not paying a markup for anything. And it's just crazy to me that they still charging Scatpack prices for RTs. That's out of control. That is not totally out of control. because you better off just going for the Scat, because you're gonna want to trade that RT in 6 months if you don't buy the Scat. And if you can get one, even granted it don't have leather seats, but you're not buying a car for the leather seats. You feel what I'm trying to say? If you can get a Scat instead of the RT, I'll definitely go with the Scat. If you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm gonna put the information at the bottom of the screen. If you're looking for a Scat or RT, a Demon, you can hit my man up, and like I say, it's no markups. You can get what you want now, even though I still think the cars are still a little overpriced, but at least they got rid of those stupid markups. So again, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.